best AI application here to pretty much make music using AI. And we'll be reviewing it and pretty much showing how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned. And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing more for you to not understand. As you can see, these are pretty much AI generated musics that other people have generated on this application. As you can see here, quite a lot of music that people have generated using this application. And if I scroll through, I can still see a lot. Also, you have sections for each music. You have moods here, you have whatever the case is. And pretty much you can just tap on one of these music and just like that, you will start listening to that music. And if you tap on the three lines here, you can also reuse the style or the lyrics that they have used in the music so that they can get this result. You can share your friends and family, comment, you can see other people liking and giving the music a comment, as you can see there. And that's really pretty much it for that. And if you want to listen to the music and you like the music, and let's say it's in your background and you don't want it to be skipped off, you can always tap on this rotating icon here and we're pretty much locked in. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as I said before, there's quite a lot of music and AI generated music on this application. So over here you may see the library section. This is where pretty much we'll see all the generated music, and all I gotta do is pretty much tap on it. So here in the middle you may see a big shining music icon with a star beside of it. Just tap on it and you pretty much be at the section where you pretty much generate your own AI music, or just pretty much generate your own music using AI. So at the top here, you may see a dice icon. This pretty much gives you the ability to generate ideas for your music. So if you don't have any idea, you can always tap on the dice icon. So if I tap on it multiple times, you can always tap on it until I find something that I like. But if you have something in mind, you can pretty much add it there. And also, not just only that, you can add your lyrics. If you don't have any lyrics in mind, it will give you as well. Just tap on the magic pen icon there. Will generate a random lyric for you. And as you can see here, the guitar lyric. And also for the song description. And as well, you have the male or the female vocals, whichever one you want. If you want a male be singing it, if you want both be singing it, you choose. So that's pretty much it for that there. You have the advanced settings here, which pretty much turns up the volume and so forth. Nothing much for that feature. And down here, you have the name of the song. So this is pretty much where you would enter the name of the song. So nothing much for that feature. And at the top here, you may see V.5. It may change, but for now, that's what it is. And if I tap on that option, you may see all the models that are available. Let me tell you guys, the higher the model, the better the quality of your AI generated music. So currently the best one is version 5, and we'll recommend getting the pro subscription because it's crazy. So yes, if you want the best result when using the application, you can either go to the version 5 or the version 4.5 Pro Plus. I would say Pro Plus, anyways. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for that there. And to generate a song using this application is pretty much 10 credits. So I pretty much have 50 credits right here. So only 10 credits to generate a song. So we can generate 10 songs per day. So that's pretty much it for that. So it renews every day, so it's free. So over here now we can scroll and pretty much see the credits that you could get in. You have a monthly subscription, you have a next year subscription, and you have a monthly subscription here which gives you 2,500 credits per day. And resets monthly. You have for the monthly subscription here which gives you 10,000 credits, and it resets monthly. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if you cannot find the subscription or the pro subscription page, you can always look on the settings here, then settings. It should be in this section here where it says my subscription, and then you will see upgrade, and you should see the subscription page in this section here. And if you have any problem at all, you can always tap on the contact us and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much it for that there. And let me just go back over here. So once you've pretty much set up everything, you're good to go. And here, as I said before, you have a lot of AI generated music on this application. So over here is pretty much your profile. You can as well post your AI generated music on the platform. But once you have created the music, you can either set it to public, or if you don't want to go to public. Here you can edit your profile, your name, username, and pretty much your profile picture. That's it. Also, you'll be given a following, and pretty much a follower. So here, let's say you have this music video here, and you pretty much like the music video, and the person who created the music video is this person at the top here. You can select on their username or their name and pretty much give them a follow, and they will be getting updates on their music video that they have released, not music video, AI music that they have released. So you always keep up to date to what they have released, and you can always remix it or reuse the same style that they have used to create that new AI music. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, please subscribe to my channel. You should smash that like button, guys. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.